So somebody told me they wanted some chicken teriyaki, and I did not feel like going to the store to get it. But fortunately for me, I had all the ingredients in my kitchen all ready to make it. So I made it from scratch, and I'm gonna show y'all how I made it. This gonna go quick, so I need y'all to pay attention. So we're gonna start off with a teriyaki sauce. So in the teriyaki sauce, I'm gonna use 1/2 cup of mushroom soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna go ahead and whisk that together, put that in a saucepan on the stove on medium heat, and I'm gonna let that simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now for the vegetables, I'm gonna use 4 cloves of fresh chopped garlic, because it ain't a recipe without the garlic. Now come on now, y'all should know that by now. I shouldn't have to keep saying this, okay? Now for the vegetables, I'm gonna use broccoli, red bell peppers, and portobello mushrooms. Now, I'm not going to give y'all the exact measurements for the vegetable, because it really just depends on how much you want in there and what type of vegetables you're using. Again, I'm just using garlic, bella mushrooms, red bell peppers, and broccoli. Now for the chicken, I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Some people, you may want to use chicken thighs because it's not going to dry out as fast. I don't like dark meat, so I'm using white meat. And that was approximately 2.17 pounds. Now I'm not going to season this. All I'm going to do is put about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil on there, and I'm going to set that to the side. In the meantime, let's go ahead and add that cornstarch slurry to thicken up that teriyaki sauce. So for that cornstarch slurry, it's just 1/4 cup of cold water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm going to add that in that teriyaki sauce, mix it up, and then I'm going to let that simmer again for about 3 to 5 minutes, okay? Now, in the meantime, I'm going to cook those vegetables in a saute pan. I'm going to toss those vegetables in there. Now, how long these vegetables cook really just depend on the level of doneness that you want. I like my vegetables a little crispy, so I'm gonna cook mine for about 3 minutes only. And for the seasoning, I'm only gonna use 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a little spice. I'm gonna remove them vegetables, add that chicken. Now I'm gonna put that chicken in there, and this chicken is gonna cook, I want to say maybe for about 5 to 7 minutes, and it probably wasn't even that long, you guys, because it ain't no bone in it and it's white meat chicken, so it cooked pretty fast. But really, I just wanted to get a nice sear on all sides, okay? So once that chicken is by almost done, I'm gonna add the remaining chicken in there. I'm gonna add those vegetables back in there, and I'm gonna mix that up nice and good. Now you guys, when y'all make this, you can add most seasonings to it, but do not add no seasoning that has salt in it, because I'm telling you, the teriyaki sauce is, it's gonna have enough salt in it, you guys, okay? Now this is what the teriyaki sauce look like once it's thickened up. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to that chicken and those vegetables, and I'm gonna let that simmer and cook for, I want to say, about another minute, because the chicken was pretty much almost done, so we don't want it to cook a long time. We just want the vegetables and the chicken in there to kind of like absorb and marry with that teriyaki sauce. And this is what it's looking like, you guys. Now I'm gonna tell y'all something. I don't even really like teriyaki, but this was pretty good. I ain't even gonna lie to you. And it's real easy to make. As you can see, it's quick, minimal ingredients. You probably already got these ingredients in your kitchen if you someone who cooks. But anyway, let me go ahead and plate that up. So I'm going to use a hefty scoop of jasmine rice, because I feel like that's the only type of white rice that should be eaten. I'm gonna put that chicken teriyaki with the vegetables on there, and this is the finished product, you guys. I'm telling y'all, y'all got to make this recipe. Again, it's real simple, it's quick, and it tastes real good. Full recipe will be in the description as well as the comment section.